Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your Cash App, ensuring quick access to your wallet. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, follow these simple instructions to get started. Step 1. Download the Cash App. If you haven't already, download the Cash App from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure that you have the latest version for optimal performance. Step 2. Open the Cash App. Locate the Cash App icon on your device and tap to open it. You will be greeted with the login screen. Step 3. Enter your phone number or email. On the login screen, enter the phone number or email address associated with your Cash App account. Make sure it's the same one you used during the registration process. Step 4. Receive a login code. After entering your phone number or email, tap the Send Code button. You will receive a text message or email containing a confirmation code. Step 5. Enter the confirmation code. Check your messages for the confirmation code. Once you receive it, return to the Cash App and enter the code in the provided field. Step 6. Access your wallet. Upon entering the correct code, you will be successfully logged into your Cash App account. You can now access your wallet, send or receive money, and manage your transactions. Step 7. Enable Touch ID or Face ID. Optional. For quicker access in the future, consider enabling Touch ID or Face ID. Go to the settings within the app and follow the prompts to allow biometrics for easier logins. That's it. You are now ready to use Cash App efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us create more content to assist you.